Upgrade to Airtel eSIM with few easy steps using the Airtel Thanks app. Here's how. Log into the Airtel Thanks app using the Airtel number which you want to upgrade to eSIM. Please note, the mobile handset used to log in should be eSIM enabled. On the home screen, scroll down to Shortcuts, click on More and click on Upgrade to eSIM. The respective Airtel number will already be mentioned here for your reference. Please note, the number entered cannot be edited. Click on this device. EID number is a 32-digit number unique to each eSIM-enabled device. Please note, eSIM will be installed on the device registered with the EID number entered by you. Follow the steps to find and copy the EID number on iOS devices. Just click on Settings, General and About to find the 32-digit EID number which will be starting from 89. Long press the number to copy and then head back to the Airtel Thanks app to complete the procedure. Paste the 32-digit EID number in the bar and click on Get eSIM via OTP. Please note, the SMS services including OTPs will be barred and will take 24 hours to resume post-completion. Enter the 6 digits OTP received and click on Proceed. Your request is registered instantly. Now, you are one step away from activating eSIM on your device. Here is how you can complete it. Follow these steps to activate eSIM on your iPhone. Just click on the Settings app and on the home screen, select Finish Setting Up Mobile Service to proceed further. Click on Continue to start the profile installation and follow the steps ahead for successful installation. Some important points to keep in mind. After switching from a physical SIM to an eSIM, activate the new eSIM profile, remove the physical SIM and restart your device. Do not share the EID number with anyone as it may lead to unauthorized access of your number. Do not remove or delete eSIM profile from your device once the eSIM is active. Do not factory reset your device as it will delete or remove the eSIM profile from your device. Our team works round the clock to provide solutions to all your problems. Get immediate assistance by tapping on the Help option on the home screen of the Airtel Thanks app and click on Chat with us. Airtel cares. We are here to help.